Hello home cooks lovers! This is the full video of my Asian roasted turkey. First, we need to boil the water for brining. And these are the spices that I added for the brine. So we have here star anise, ginger, fennel seed, cloves, cinnamon stick, black peppercorn, and soy sauce. Make sure that it's cooled down already before pouring all over to the turkey. And then I marinated this 5 hours in each sides. After brining, I have to dry it by using kitchen towel and remove all the excess water. These are the ingredients that I use to marinate the turkey. We have here 1 cup of soy sauce, half cup of oyster sauce, half cup of apple cider vinegar, a half cup of olive oil, half cup of honey, and then 1/4 cup of each crushed ginger, garlic, and green onion. I also added 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce for additional heat and then mix it well. By using metal injector syringe is optional, but doing this makes the meat more flavorful and juicy. Then put the rest of sauce all over the turkey and then set aside. Here I am mixing of melted butter, ghee, and soy sauce. So I use this for basting. This is a cooking technique that can add moisture and flavor to food while it cooks. Just rub and massage all over the turkey. I'm gonna put onion inside. Some celery. This one. It's a lemongrass. I also added a half of lemon. Good. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There you go. This is my Asian roasted turkey after 1 hour. Alrighty, I'm gonna do basting. I just added a marinated sauce with some olive oil and butter to make this turkey moist. As you see, I covered the edges of wings and legs because this part is easily to get burned. And I don't know, I'm just adding turkey bacon. I watched one of the video of Gordon Ramsay. This can make the turkey more moist and juicy. I thought, why not I give it a try? So now this is my Asian roasted turkey. It's not looks perfect, but it tastes perfect.